Hi, I will describe you. I will discuss you about history of aeroplane. What is aeroplane history? Different thoughts, different thinkings. First time in 1707. Fly a kite, simple flight in the air with other uh, metals. Then other persons similar thinking about 18,008 and other metals things aircraft shapes and or other airplane shapes fly in the air and aircraft and then uh, 1909 other metals made and aircraft airplanes then finally 1979 around about aircraft uh, aeroplane was invented is a new inventions in this world are very important for the peoples and scientists and technology masters mind people's technical systems of airplane is a very important in our life. You can about times in the other people's other times other in this times is a very important history of aeroplane is very important in the aircraft and aeroplanes. First person to fly airplanes, even Qasim is the nothing. There's a person's like do not fly the shape of the aircraft, but airplane is safer first time. Airplane invented in America, but aircraft invented in China. China is the inventions of the aircraft, but airplanes invented in America. American military use the airplane for uses the other purpose for uh, luggage and passenger to move and other country luggage and moved to other country not ships and the other transport uses but as a new and modern system to transfer and transfer the other things moves and other country to and country. And the first of all, America use this aircraft and aeroplane. Aeroplane is a technical system as a very high as a metal engine, oil, and screw. And this time is a very important. The history of the human is the very emotional history about aeroplane. Aeroplane is a very important in our history. You can about the Pakistan is the nothing expert pilot. First female pilot in American and then the other countries use the pilot, a female pilot and other pilot. You can about say the every times, but Pakistan and Indian army used the helicopter as a foreigner tuner and the very important in this time the history of the aeroplane. Aeroplane is the heavy transfer for the and adjust the fuel and the air balance in this times. I will describe you about next video. Allah Hafiz.